Bibbidi bobbidi boom! Magical shark!
Sharkicorn, doo doo doo. I see unicorn.
Hello, my artist friends! How are you today? We are going to draw a magical shark family. Yes, we are diving into a magical ocean adventure. Are you ready? Let's go! Come with me and let's draw a magical sharkicorns. First, let's draw the baby shark. We're gonna start with 2 circles. Do you know how to draw circles? Of course you know. We need more circles inside.
Any color, any shape. Let's make our imagination.
Let's draw a nose. And his face. Abracadabra! Let's draw.
The blue and pink mane too. A sweet and
Oh, look at that! Baby shark is super happy.
Daddy Sharkicorn. Daddy's shape with a tail.
Let's draw its teeth.
A strong and cool dad. Ready for any adventure. Glad I'll stay together. You
For the baby shark's tail, let's draw its flippers like it's swimming.
Let's make our imagination escape.
Excellent job! Now, whose turn is it? Yes, up here. What should we draw? Wow, Daddy Shark is amazing! Let's draw Daddy Shark's eyes. We know that we must use circles. Kids, if you want to take another look at this part, come back anytime you want. Now let's draw its body. Kids, today I want to teach you about being creative in your drawings. I think you could do it so well. Let's draw Daddy Shark's teeth. He's got pointy tail. Don't forget to draw its back fin too. Wow, Daddy Shark is big. Now that Daddy Shark is finished, let's move on to the Mommy Shark. We'll start with her eyes, just like before. Wow, guys, our sharks have big eyes, don't they? But they are so cute, aren't they? Draw some tiny eyelashes for the mommy shark.
Bright and new, imagine worlds, me and you, a dragon flying a mermaid song. Let's make our dreams come strong with colors.
Let's draw her nose and body.
A castle in the sky so blue, anything we want to do. So let's be creative, don't you see? Anything.
She's got a beautiful smile. I like mommy shark so much.
Up a brand new door.
Kids, I want to give you a tip. If it feels hard, that just means you're learning something new and exciting. Don't worry. Take a deep breath and try again. And here is her back fin. It looks like a triangle.
Make our dreams come strong with colors bright and
We are almost done with the mommy shark.
a castle in the
Now Now we are getting to the fun part of the drawing, being creative.
Anything is possible, you and me.
Until now, we had a shark family. But now we are going to add some unicorn's horn to them. Yes, because they are magical. They are magical sharky corns. Let's draw their unicorn horns. We're gonna make them magical and dreamy. How cool is that? That's what we call being creative. Create something in your drawing from the depths part of your magical world. Now let's color the eyes black and make the lines darker. Hocus pocus, watch it focus. It's coloring time. I am so excited. First, grab your yellow color and let's color the baby shark because he's ready to be colored.
Unicorn, do do do. I see unicorn, it's true. With a rainbow horn so bright, swimming through the ocean light. Mommy shark unicorn, do do do. With a blue and pink
Let's use red for its tongue.
long, deep in the ocean foam. Daddy shark unicorn, do do do. With a tail full of stars, it's true. A strong and cool dad.
And now, let's color its mouth a very dark red.
Unicorns wild and free. Any color, any shape. Let's make our imagination escape.
Now let's move on to the unicorn horns. You can use any color you like.
Let's paint together, you and me. Create shark unicorns wild and free. Any color, any shape. Let's make our imagination escape.
Let's finish the mommy shark with pink.
Do-do-do, I see unicorn, it's true. With a rainbow horn so bright, swimming through the ocean light. Mommy shark unicorn, do-do-do. With the blue and pink mane too.
Kids, you are doing amazing. Keep going.
Daddy shark unicorn, do-do-do. With a tail full of stars, it's true. A strong and cool dad, ready for any adventure, glad. Let's paint together, you and me. Create shark unicorns wild.
Let's color her lips red.
Any shape, let's make our imagination escape.
And her unicorn horns. What color are you using? Tell me. Kids, don't forget to like this video. Finally, let's color the strong daddy shark. His body is the color of the sea. Can you tell me what color is it? Excellent! Blue! Here we go! Don't forget to color its fin too.
Rainbow bright and new, imagine worlds, me and you. A dragon flying, a mermaid.
And his magical unicorn horn.
Bright and shapes so sweet. Let's create a world so neat. A castle in the sky so blue. Anything we want to do. So let's be creative, don't you see? Anything is possible, you and me. Just use your mind like your heart.
Now let's add little shading.
Let's paint a rainbow bright and new. Imagine worlds, me and you. A dragon flying, a mermaid song. Let's make our dreams come strong. With colors bright and shapes so sweet, let's create a world so
Excellent! We did it! To see more videos, be sure to follow us. Bye bye!
anything is possible, you and me.